Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share my recipe of chocolate cake which I baked for my baby's birthday. Due to this pandemic situation, I do not wanted to order cake from outside for his birthday. So I myself baked the cake and it turned out decadent, delicious and gooey. So not wasting time in talking, let's start making the chocolate truffle cake. And for that we need 1 and 1/4 cup of maida, that is 150 grams of maida. Next I am adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar here. To that I am adding half teaspoon of baking soda or ENO, or you can also call it fruit salt. Then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the mixture. Now I am going to sieve all the dry ingredients so that they all get mixed nicely. Then again I am going to mix everything nicely and sieve in another bowl. Sieving twice will incorporate air in the mixture, that will make the cake more spongy. Now our dry ingredients are ready. We will move to the second step, that is liquid ingredients of our cake. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder to half cup of milk and then stirring it nicely. Adding coffee will enhance the taste of chocolate. You can also strain this coffee milk into another cup to ensure that there are no lumps. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in the coffee milk, which is optional. In another bowl, I am adding half cup of melted unsalted butter. To that I am adding 5 tablespoons of condensed milk or Milkmaid. Now mix the butter and condensed milk evenly with the help of whisker. Start adding dry mixture into this slowly in batches. Firstly I am going to make thick paste and then I will bring it to batter consistency. It might take time, but slowly it will turn into a smooth batter. And remember, we want a consistency where the batter shouldn't be too runny or thick. We want pouring consistency batter. I would highly recommend, if you are trying for the first time, then follow all the correct measurements that I am telling and will also mention in the description box below. As I am not baking cake in microwave, take a heavy bottom pot or karai and spread a layer of salt or sand in its bottom. Now cover it and put it on gas and heat it on medium-low flame for next 10 minutes. Here I am doing a DIY for butter paper or parchment paper. So cut a A4 size sheet so that it should fit at the bottom of the baking tin. First apply butter in the cake mold nicely. Then keep the paper back in the baking tin and apply butter on that too. Add little bit of maida for dusting in the tin so that the paper won't stick to the cake. Now remove the excess flour and pour the batter in the cake mold. Spread the batter in the cake mold with the help of a spoon. Also tap the cake mold a few times to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now I am going to keep the baking tin in preheated kadai and cover. Put the flame on low medium and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Now to make chocolate truffle icing, here I am taking 750 grams of unsweetened dark chocolate, cutting it into pieces and putting that in a bowl. Now take 400 ml of Amul cream in a saucepan, that is 2 cups of Amul cream. Heat it until the cream becomes enough warm to melt the chocolate. Make sure to switch off the gas before the cream starts boiling, otherwise it will release ghee. And pour the hot cream over the dark chocolate. Now keep the bowl of chocolate on another saucepan with boiling water. This will help in melting the chocolate even faster. At this stage, add 2 tablespoons of butter or 4 cubes of butter for that extra shine. Keep stirring everything until it becomes smooth and beautiful. Keep it aside for 2 or 3 hours. Allow it to cool completely. After 30 minutes, check the cake whether it's baked or not. I am checking with the help of a fork. If it comes out clean, then the baking is done. Take off the baking tin carefully and allow it to cool for next 10 minutes so that the cake is set. Till that, I am going to make the sugar syrup for the cake. Heat half cup of water, add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and mix everything till it dissolves. Now to demold the cake, I am keeping a tray on the baking tin and flipping the cake upside down. And voila! Look how beautifully the cake came out. Now I have to cut the cake from the middle to level it out for the sugar syrup. First start marking with the help of knife and then with the help of thread apart the cake into 2 parts. Coat the second layer of cake with the sugar syrup. This will ensure that the cake is soft and moist from the inside. And then spread the chocolate truffle icing nicely and thick. Now keep the second layer of cake on the top of it and again add a few spoons of icing on the top of the cake. And then with the help of a knife, even out everything. We are almost done here, but my final step would be to heat 1 cup of this chocolate icing so that it melts and pour the hot ice cream to add the shine on the cake. Here our cake is ready and now the decoration part. I have grated chocolate and I am sprinkling that on all the corners and edges of the cake. Did little bit of decoration back of the camera with the help of colorful sprinkles and chocolate chips. I wanted to do some interesting decoration but I was not able to find piping bag and cake nozzle because of lockdown. I tried doing DIY for cake nozzle and piping bag but I failed miserably. But still this cake tastes so heavenly. Everybody just loved the cake, so give it a try, and if your cake also came out so good and delicious then please do comment down below. And here we are done. Delicious and absolutely mouth-watering chocolate truffle cake is ready. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Until my next video, stay happy and positive. Till then, bye-bye.